Hello, in this video we will show you how to install Microsoft Teams in your smartphone. So links will be provided in the description. You can visit from the link. So to install the Teams, you have to go first App Store. I am showing here to install in iOS device, iPhone. So on search bar of App Store, search for Teams. You will see Microsoft Teams. So on clicking the Microsoft Teams, you will see different features of the software. It has 229 MB size. Okay. To install the software, click on Get. Then it will ask you for the password of your Apple ID. Okay. Let's type the password. Then click on OK. It is showing error. Let's type again. Okay. After typing the password, click on OK. Okay, now it's going to be installed. Now it's begun to install. Okay. It takes time to install the apps. So I'm going to skip the time for the installation. See, it says loading. Since the until the app is fully installed on the device, let's forward the video so that time will be saved. Okay. Yes. Thus Microsoft Teams has been installed in iOS device. Let's click on the icon. Okay. On clicking the icon, you will see the sign in or sign off button there. I have already signed off, so I'm going to sign in my account. Okay. To sign in the software, click on the sign in button. Then it will ask for the email, your email ID. So I'm going to type my official email ID that is provided by my college, Central Department of Physics, TU, Tribhuvan University. Okay. After typing full email ID, click on OK. Then you will have to enter the password. Let's enter the password. Okay. It's simple. Installation takes a little bit time. That's it. Okay, it says incorrect password. Let's type again. the password. Okay, after the password is typed completely, then click on OK. Okay, the password has been accepted. Okay, now it will take you in the window of Teams. It asks for the notification. Click on OK. Click on next and next. Got it. Okay, this is what the Teams window looks like. So there are many options you can see on the screen. These are the application available in the Teams. You can use as your requirement. Okay, I have my ID on Teams. You can change your profile. Use these applications for assignments. There are assignment option. So Teams is typically for the online class. So when you attend any online class, then you will know more about the Teams, how to use it, how to use the assignment facility and chatting activity, and there are more button also. Once you start to use it, you will know all about it. Okay, it's simple, no difficult. This much for this video. Thank you for watching the video. We will see you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe EasyTeach Official so that when we upload new videos you will get the notification first. Thank you so much. Stay connected with us. Okay.